children. Today I will be going to teach you social studies subject. Now, previously you have learned about family. Now, what is family? Big family and small family. That is, big family, that is parents and children. Whereas, nuclear family. Whereas, big family, that is mother, father, grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousins. They are the families. Joint family and nuclear family. This is an Indian joint family, nuclear family. Now we will start part 1, changes in a family. S1, that is in your workbook, changes in gender roles. Gender. What is gender? Male or female, boy or a girl. That is known as gender. Now I will ask you few questions. Who cooks in your family? Mother or sometimes father also. Who goes to bank? Father or mother? Who decides if you want to go to your friend's place? To whom you will ask? Mother or father? Who takes the decision? Either one or both. Mother or father or both. So, today children, we will learn about changes in the family. That is first here, first point, changing role of family members in household. Second is decision making. So first, changing role of family members in household. Now, it was your workbook. You must be having workbook, children. Yes or no? Yes. So open your workbook, page number 9. Changes in gender roles. Did you open, children? Now, keep your finger on your book. Changes in gender roles. Read the story and answer the question below. Rahul is 5 years old. His mother goes to office and his father works from home. His father is a great cook too. He makes tasty meals for Rahul. Gayatri is Rahul's friend. Her mother is a housewife. Her father is a doctor. Gayatri, let's play house. Rahul, okay, you will be mummy and I will be daddy. Gayatri, now it's time for you to go to office. I will cook lunch. Rahul, why should I go to office? You have to go to office. Father can also stay home and make lunch. Gayatri, no, mothers cook and look after the house. Rahul's father, why don't you two play something else? Rahul, okay, let's play doctor. You be a doctor. Only boys are doctors, Gayatri said to Rahul. In the short play, Rahul is 5 years old. His mother goes to office, father works from home and also a great cook. He makes tasty meals for Rahul. Gayatri is Rahul's friend. Her mother is a housewife. Her father is a doctor. Now you know again, children. A. Question. Why does Rahul think that only father cooks lunch? Why does Rahul think that only fathers cook lunch? Because he thinks that his father cooks at home. That is why he thinks that only fathers can cook the lunch. Whereas B. Question. Why does Gayatri think that only boys can be doctors? Because again she thinks at home she thinks that her father is a doctor, that is why only men can go for work, whereas women will look after the house. Now second point, we will go for decision making. Now what is decision making here? Changing role of woman. Now before, mostly women stay at home. They do housework, look after family. Whereas nowadays, they go to work, take decisions on important matters, balance family and work. The role of men and women differs from family to family. Children, open your reader. You must be having reader. Block 1, page number 10. In the early times, women mostly stayed at home, cooked and looked after the children. Men went out to work and earned money to run the house. Today, more women, especially in cities, go to work and many men help the woman in the household chores. Both share the responsibilities of the family. There has also been a change in the way decisions are made in a family. Earlier, the head of the family, mostly the father or grandfather, used to take important decisions. Now, important decisions are often taken jointly by the husband and the wife. In early times, the head of the family used to take decisions. But nowadays, both parents, husband and wife, they can take their own decisions. Book, page number 9. Second question, you have to do homework by your own. I will read and explain you how to do this homework. Complete the table. Give answers as for father, mother or both for column 2 and grandfather or grandmother for column 3. This is 2 and this is 3. This is 1. Now first one, question A. Where to go for a holiday? Here in column 2, he is asking who takes the following decision in your family. Here, mother, father, whoever it is. Then, who took the following decision at the time of your grandparents, whether grandfather, grandparents, that you have to do. B. What to cook for a dinner? Again, same thing, what I explained you. Third question, which television set to buy? D. Whether to get a pet or not. Now I will give you homework. Do your homework in workbook page number 9, question 2. Just now I explained you. Another thing, in your reader, you have to read page number 10. Second homework, take out your reader, open your reader, changes in the role of men and women in a family. This is one Nina story, similar which story I explained you. Please read this full paragraph. Page number 10 and 11. Till here you read this story. Now keywords. You know keywords. So underline these words, especially. Especially, responsibilities, household chores. These three words. Decisions. So altogether 1, 2, 3 and 4 keywords I have given. In your classwork, children, take one classwork, take one notebook. Now children, you must be having notebooks in one book. Keep one social studies class separately. Leave one first page. In your index, you write block 1, changes in your family. As usual, you will do the same work. And take another page, new page, draw the margin, write this heading, write there, and write keywords. These 4 words you write. Leave that page. Take next page and write there, answer the following question. Open reader, page number 14. See this question 5. Question 5. How have the roles of men and women changed over time? Now turn your page. Number 10. Did you see this, children? Last paragraph. See this last paragraph, children? I'll mark it here. Last paragraph full. Just now I read this paragraph. In the early times, women mostly stayed at home, cooked and looked after the children. Men went out to work and earn money to run the house. Today, more women, especially in city, go to work, and many men help the woman in the household chores. Both shares the responsibility of the family. That will become first answer. In your classwork, children, first you write keywords, then next page you write question which I gave you, question 5, that will become question 1, and the answer is there in your reader only. And then in your workbook, page 9, question 2, please do that